Welcome to our comparison of two ETFs, INDA and INDY, that you can use to ride India's growth story. Please note, this information is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Be sure to conduct your own research and consult a certified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. India's GDP is growing at a robust rate of around 7%. If you're an NRI with no direct access to the Indian market, but have a brokerage account in the USA, these ETFs might be a way to participate in India's economic boom. Let's take a closer look at how these ETFs have performed. Both INDA and INDY are issued by iShares BlackRock. INDY tracks the Nifty 50 index, which is India's most widely traded index and consists of the top 50 companies. On the other hand, INDA has a broader portfolio with over 150 stocks. It has outperformed INDY, or the Nifty 50, over the last 1 year and 5-year periods. INDA includes large and mid-sized companies in India. The MSCI India Index, which INDA tracks, is designed to measure the performance of the large and mid-cap segments of the Indian market. With 136 constituents, this index covers approximately 85% of the Indian equity universe. Now let's talk about some key metrics. The expense ratio for INDA is 0.65%, and its assets under management, or AUM, is $11 billion. The dividend yield for INDA is 0. INDA's top sectors include financials, information technology, and consumer discretionary. The largest holdings in INDA are companies like Reliance Industries, Infosys, and Housing Development Finance Corporation. For INDY, the expense ratio is slightly higher at 0.89%, and its current AUM is just under $1 billion. The dividend yield for INDY is 0.16% compared to no dividend payout by INDA. INDY's top sectors include financials, energy, and information technology. The largest holdings in INDY are companies like HDFC Bank, Reliance Industries, and Infosys. Next, let's see how these two ETFs behaved during market corrections. During the early COVID-19 period in 2020, the Nifty 50 index corrected about 35%. INDA corrected 40%, and INDY also corrected 40%. From October 2021 to June 2022, the Nifty 50 index corrected about 15%. During this period, INDA corrected 25%, and INDY also corrected 25%. It's important to note that both INDA and INDY are not dollar hedged. This means their performance is influenced by fluctuations in the exchange rate between the Indian rupee and the US dollar. Additionally, INDA tends to have higher liquidity and trading volume compared to INDY, which can be a factor to consider for active traders. The broader exposure of INDA to mid-cap stocks also provides a more diversified investment compared to INDY's focus on large-cap stocks. Investing in ETFs like INDA and INDY can provide a convenient way to participate in India's economic growth. However, always consult with a financial advisor to determine the best investment strategy for your individual needs. Based on past performance, a slightly lower expense ratio, and higher trading volume, INDA seems to be the preferred choice. However, conduct your own research before making any investment decisions. This content is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Subscribe to our channel for more interesting insights in the future.